Ethereum value equivalent to 35,132 rands a coin. The present cost range, 34,926 – 35,445. The earlier day close, 35,612. The change was 480. 1.35%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, July 10, costs 34,503 rands, high 36,918, low 32,088. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, July 11, costs 35,528 rands, high 38,015, low 33,041. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, costs 34,582 rands, high 37,003, low 32,161. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, July 13, costs 33,917 rands, high 36,291, low 31,543. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, July 14, costs 33,554 rands, high 35,903, low 31,205. In multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 17, costs 33,882 rands, high 36,254, low 31,510. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, costs 34,294 rands, high 36,695, low 31,893. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, July 19, costs 34,419 rands, high 36,828, low 32,010. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, costs 35,657 rands, high 38,153, low 33,161. Ethereum figure on Friday, July 21, costs 36,034 rands, high 38,556, low 33,512. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, July 24, costs 35,177 rands, high 37,639, low 32,715. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, July 25, costs 36,177 rands, high 38,709, low 33,645. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, costs 35,250 rands, high 37,718, low 32,783. Ethereum figure on Thursday, July 27, costs 36,085 rands, high 38,611, low 33,559. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, July 28, costs 35,753 rands, high 38,256, low 33,250. In 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, July 31, costs 36,105 rands, high 38,632, low 33,578. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, costs 35,521 rands, high 38,007, low 33,035. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 2, costs 36,935 rands, high 39,520, low 34,350. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, costs 38,197 rands, high 40,871, low 35,523. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, August 4, costs 38,228 rands, high 40,904, low 35,552. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 7, costs 37,809 rands, high 40,456, low 35,162. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, costs 37,585 rands, high 40,216, low 34,954. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 36,270 rands, excessive cost 38,709, while low cost 31,205. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 35,572. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 36,105, change for July 0.5%. Ethereum figure for August 2023, before all else cost at 36,105 rands, excessive cost 41,396. While low cost 33,035, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 36,922. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 37,153. Change for August 2.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023, before all else cost at 37,153 rands, excessive cost 39,030, while low cost 33,924. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 36,646. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 36,477. Change for September 1.8%. Ethereum figure for October 2023, before all else cost at 36,477 rands, excessive cost 42,172. While low cost 36,477, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 38,635. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 39,413, change for October 8.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023, before all else cost at 39,413 rands, excessive cost 44,514. While low cost 38,690, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 41,055. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 41,602, change for November 5.6%. Ethereum estimate for December 2023, first and foremost cost at 41,602 rands, exorbitant cost 49,102, while low cost 41,602. The found the middle value of cost 44,549. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 45,890, change for December 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024, first and foremost cost at 45,890 rands, exorbitant cost 52,316. While low cost 45,470. The found the middle value of cost 48,142. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 48,893, change for January 6.5%. Ethereum estimate for February 2024, first and foremost cost at 48,893 rands, exorbitant cost 60,686. While low cost 48,893. The found the middle value of cost 53,797. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 56,716. Change for February 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 56,716 rands. Exorbitant cost 56,000.